Hello everyone. So let's get right down to it. During the video of doing the napkin challenge, my glue gun, somehow I must have left it on and never turned it off. So it had a buildup of overheated glue, which was like it wouldn't work at all. So I took a sewing pen and engaged in it and loosened it up so it could release. And then I just kept pumping it to get all of that bad glue out because I didn't really want that in my project. So because it was so overheated and thick, that's why I tried. I thought I was in a time crunch trying to get this video listed. I had a lot of things going on in my home that day. So I am doing a recap so you can hear what I said. I hope this helps you guys. Thank you so much. And I'm sorry for the inconvenience of not hearing the audio of the glue gun being overheated, but I did fix it. So as you may see, that I had some burnt glue inside my glue gun and it would not work. So just to be safe, this is a silicone mat, and I did finally get all of the burnt glue out of it. I used a needle to probe it at the end and try to focus it out. It did all come out. Remember, glue is hot, so I did not use my hands in any way. I did not want to get burnt from this. Very thankful of having sewing pens around and things like that, because otherwise I would have got burnt. So this looks like a honey pot, but it's not. But somehow I must have left my glue gun on and it got heated over. So we have honey in the area, but it's not the honey that we really want. So saved my glue gun, thank God, because I only had it a few months. But just remember, if you do not turn it off, you could have some serious issues, just like I did. So I got that on. That looks really good. Now I got these eyes. And I will be turning this glue gun off because I have never had a cordless one. So this is for you guys all to be aware that this stuff can happen. Unfortunately, well, at least it happened to someone and you saw it online. So it looks a lot better. I am cleaning off the glue off my bumblebee, and it is finished. Just remember, turn off your glue gun. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll